Hey, what's good, everybody? Welcome to another episode of Mini Pods. So, this time I'm answering one common question or one question that so many people have in their mind, which was asked by Prerna Agarwal. Can we find love again in our life? The answer to this question is yes. Let's go deep into this. See, I know that people will say one man, one woman, love, and all those things. But so imagine that you are in love, and due to any reason, maybe fight, cheat, or any reason, you have broken up. What will you do? Will you just hang up on to that person forever and not live your life? You will move on. You will fall in love again. You might get married. After some time living with your husband or wife, you will understand how compatible you are with them, and you will start loving them eventually, and you will have your baby. You will love them. So can we forget our first love or anyone or any person that we loved? No. जिस बंदे से आप प्यार करते हो वो कहीं ना कहीं आपके लाइफ में, आपके दिल में वो ऐसी जगह बना जाता है जो आप कभी उसको निकाल नहीं सकते वहाँ से. दोज मेमोरीज विल बी देयर फॉर एवर. मतलब आप अच्छे मेमोरीज हो तो भी रहेंगे, बुरे मेमोरीज हो तो भी रहेंगे. सो व्हाट आई पर्सनली फील इज दैट वेन एवर यू आर ब्रेकिंग अप, think of the good memories and have only those good memories of that person in your head, where whenever you think about them or talk about them, whenever they come in your mind while sitting alone or talking with friends, you just have a smile, beautiful smile, remembering all those beautiful memories that you have created. That's what you need at the end. And रही बात की if you think that after breakup, after a harsh breakup and all, I know that generally हर कोई यही बोलता है कि अब बस हो गया, लव मेरे से नहीं होता, प्यार व्यार, relationships and all. But at the end of the day, you will meet someone who is compatible with you. So with every relationship gone in your life, you will understand that what you actually don't need. You will actually look in the coming person, you will look what you actually need, because now you understand that ठीक है, मेरे को ये चीज़ नहीं चाहिए अपने पार्टनर में, ये चीज़ नहीं चाहिए. तो this is how it works. And yeah, to answer your question, Prerna, love definitely happens again. And it is, I personally do not believe that love only happens once. Love can happen again. एंड ये बात गलत है कि आप प्यार में हो कि अगर प्यार कर रहे हो दूसरों के साथ, तो ये गलत है. दिस इज़ नॉट एथिकल. सो बट आफ्टर यू ब्रेकअप, आफ्टर अ सर्टेन टाइम, व्हेन यू गो थ्रू दैट ब्रेकअप एंड देन व्हेन यू स्टार्ट मूविंग ऑन विथ योर लाइफ, yes, you might definitely find love. So thank you so much, Prerna, for asking the question. I hope it helped you.